Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel. So you guys know from the thumbnail that I got my Schengen visa for 90 days and multiple entry within 48 hours guys. So I'm going to tell you the brief. Unlike from other videos, Schengen visa is really easy to get, but only the documentation process which makes it much tougher because hell lot of a document you need to furnish while getting the Schengen visa. Before going to the full details into the video, as many of you know guys, I traveled across 21 countries and I aspiring to travel for 100 countries in upcoming my world travel series. So I'm starting it from February 15, 2022. So I'm doing all the details in this YouTube video. So I'm giving tons of information in the new series which I lacked in my previous series. I'm giving every bit of the details which I'm going to travel. So I'm going to travel on a very low budget, so I'm going to explain you how I'm going to do that. So do subscribe and smash the bell icon so that you get a notification when I upload a new video guys. Without wasting your time, let's directly jump into the video. So before jumping into the video, don't skip the video in between because I'm giving a full bit by bit details. So if you skip something, you will miss some part of the video, so your visa rejections possibility will get higher. Okay, so keep in mind how I got 100% approval rate for all visas like US visa or Schengen visa. This video I'm going to strictly talk you about short-term Schengen visa guys. So before wasting much time, let's jump into the video guys. So process of this Schengen visa, I divided into three categories. First one is that who all can apply. Second, how and where can you apply. And third one is the documentation process. So let's go into the first part. Who all can apply? Everyone can apply in India, but only thing criteria if you are applying Schengen visa in India is that you need to pay ITR. ITR returns is a must into getting the Schengen visa guys. So do furnish the ITR returns. So if you are a student, if you are passed out and you want to travel the world, someone is sponsoring your a trip like your mom or dad, you can attach their letter. They need to give you undertaking letter and they can, so you can attach their documents or account statement and their ITR returns you need to give. So anybody can India literally can apply for Schengen visa. And if you have any, if you don't have any job, if you don't have any sponsorship, but you are earning some money in India, so you have to file an ITR for 3 years guys. So if you have pretty much good travel history, good travel history, definitely you can apply for a Schengen visa. Start traveling to your neighboring countries or Southeast Asian countries and get a good record of travel history and then apply for Schengen visa so that the rejection rate will be much lesser guys. And which consulate you can apply, which consulate means like if you're making, when you're making itinerary, it's not the port of it, it is not only the port of entry, whichever Schengen country you are going there. Remember, there is 26 Schengen countries. It is just not the port of entry country, but in the itinerary, whichever the country you are staying more days. Like if, for example, in France you are staying 5 days and Spain you are staying 6 days, but the port of entry is France, but you need to apply through the Spain embassy or consulate. So that is how the process is guys. So if you remember, it's not just a port of entry. If you are staying 5 days in Spain, 5 days in France, and the port of entry is France, then you need to apply in the France embassy. If port of entry, whichever country you are staying more days in Schengen area, so that country you need to apply, not the other way. So your visa will get rejected if you do the same. Okay, now it is pretty much clear, like which country you need to apply, who all can apply, all these things. So let's go into the base of this visa, that is documentation. Yes guys, I got a list of documentation with me and I'll just go through this. First point is that you need to have your passport 6 month valid. Okay. Second is that you need to have your photographs, two photographs, which is 80% face covered. Okay, like I'll show my photograph over here. So it should be 80% face covered. Okay, so dimensions I'll mention over here. Also, apart from that, you need to give a previous passport. You need to furnish your previous passport, whichever passport do you have previously owned passport. Your passport, original passport with 6 months validity. Second is that your photographs. Third is that your previous passport, whichever it is. If you don't have, don't worry. So fourth point is that fully filled application form. The link I'll give in the description, so that you can go and click over there, and it should be fully filled and it should be signed. We'll go to the fifth point. It is travel insurance. You need to have travel insurance to cover your stay in the Schengen area. So you need to have that travel insurance. You can buy it from any, go to Policy Bazaar, or you go to any other insurance companies. You can buy from that insurance companies. Schengen area, so you want an insurance. If you have still doubt, just text me, in the comment section. If you have any problem with the insurance, I can solve it for you guys. So let's go to the point number 6. Transportation, guys. You need to have your air ticket with the return or ongoing return tickets. Apart from that, you need to, if you are applying first time, if your itinerary is for 2-3 cities like France, like it is for Paris, Madrid or Lisbon, then you need to furnish the intercity transportation also. That is for the first time who is traveling to Schengen area. Document number 7, that is the covering letter, which is the main, all the documents, because how you are going to represent yourself in this covering letter, that will decide whether you will get the visa or not. Covering letter should include whole trip summary with the itinerary. So without that, your visa is going to rejected, and you need to sign that also. If you have any doubts, I have my covering letter, the best one. So if somebody wants a covering letter from my end, so I need a small help from you. Buy me a coffee, which is here, and you can just buy me a coffee. I'll give the link in the description just to support my travel. So I can mail you the PDF copy of covering letter and even the full copy of the documentation what you require. I can mail you if you need. So we'll go to point number 8. If you're working for a company, then you need to submit your non-objection certificate from the company and the salary certificate from the company. Number 9, accommodation. So whichever days you are staying, 10 days, 20 days, you need to submit all your accommodation details till you are leaving out of Schengen area. This is a must. You should, booking.com, don't go through the booking.com. It should be a paid booking, guys. It should be a paid booking, then only it will be accepted. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Just follow my Instagram, just text me that, I can help you in this. Next document is that you need to have your account statement, which is not downloaded from your mobile or computer. You need to go for bank. You need to get the bank seal and signature on the account statement, so that last 3 months the average, it's not just the balance, average 3 month, it should not be less than $5,000. That is 3.5 lakhs, guys. So 3.5 lakhs or more, any amount more than that, it is well and good. Your possibility of getting visa will be more. So apart from that, next is the supporting documents. What all supporting documents you need? So you need to have your passport copies. As I said, not only the original passport copies, you need to have your old passport copies. You need to have, if you have previously been to Schengen area, you need to have stamps also, stamps copies, though whichever visa copies, and also if you have been to US, those visa copies. Apart from that, the entry into US, that is B1, B2 entry, stamp seals, or if you have been to UK, of stamps, entry and exit. For Schengen also it's the same. Apart from that, you need to furnish your Aadhaar card copy. For ITI returns to be like, you need to furnish your PAN card copy, and if you have any property in your name, you need to furnish that also. So remember all this point, guys. So I'm sure you're going to get your Schengen visa if your document is proper and your purpose for traveling to Schengen area is genuine traveling. Okay, so if you want to migrate, this is not the place to watch my videos. If you guys want the correct order which you need to keep your documents, let me know in the comment section or follow me in my Instagram. Just message me. I can send you the correct order that you guys can applying for visa. You guys can cross check everything and document you need to put into the order, the same order. Wish you all the best. Hope you guys like this video. Someone has got some information regarding this video. This is how it is the process, and I applied to the French embassy, which is for the French, so it is pretty much easy to get through the French embassy. So try to get your visa. So you're only for genuine traveler. If you're not a genuine traveler, please don't watch this. Skip the video, go for any other videos. Thank you guys. Do subscribe to my channel, support my channel. I'm traveling. Again, I'm saying I'm traveling from this February 15th, almost 100 countries. So if you like this content, if you have got some information from here, do subscribe, like, share with your family and friends who want to go for Schengen area, guys. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.